Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very easy and delicious compound chicken made at home with lots of love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, preparing the chicken breast. I have 3 chicken breasts. Of course, you could slice the chicken breast in little strips, cutting it in very small bite sizes. Look at this. Look at the little pieces. If the chicken breast is nice and thick, cut through the middle of the strips. You really want the chicken to really absorb the ingredients you are going to add to it. I am going to continue slicing and cutting away the chicken breast. Of course, you could remove the fat if you desire, but the most important thing is to cut the chicken breast in strips and in small little bite pieces. Look at this. This chicken is going to be moist, tender, and delicious. Once this is done, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 egg white. I am going to mix it very well until it's nice and thick, just like this. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Mix it well, and then let it sit so that all those flavors really penetrate the chicken breast. I have the garlic cloves here. I added 6 garlic cloves, 1 generous piece of ginger. Of course, I am going to take the skin off with a spoon, and then I am ready to slice and chop away nice and fine. Just like this, I'm going to add it to the same plate where I have the garlic. And now I am ready to continue with half an onion that I'm going to cube, the zucchinis that I'm going to cube. Of course, you could add any veggie you want to add to this compound chicken. A Chinese recipe that I am making at home. I have the sauce here. I have 1 cup of soy sauce, half a cup of vinegar rice, 3 tablespoons of the black sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I'm mixing well. Of course, you can't forget the peanuts and the dried chilies. I am adding peanuts and chile de árbol. You decide how spicy you want this compound chicken. Look at this. It's been resting for about 20 minutes, the chicken in that sauce. I added some vegetable oil. I'm going to spread the chicken breast. I'm going to leave it here for just a couple minutes until you see that most of the chicken is turning white. That means that the bottom of the chicken is getting nice and brown, getting nice and coated. Once you see this, you are ready to mix away, flip it over, pull the parts away because they're going to be sticking to each other. And as you could see, it was already getting nice and golden brown. I'm going to mix it, spread it really good, and then leave it there for another 2 minutes. This really comes out delicious. The chicken breast really comes out nice and moist. And if I could make this amazing Chinese recipe compound chicken Yes, you could make it at home too. Once you see it golden brown, all the little pieces with this golden brown color, then you are ready to remove. Remove from the pan. Look at this. This is the time where you're going to remove it and start adding just a little bit of vegetable oil so that you could add your diced garlic and your diced ginger. The aromas are just amazing. Once you add the ginger and the garlic, then you are ready to start adding the veggies. You're going to smell that aroma, add your veggies, incorporate them really good. You don't want to overcook your zucchini. I'm just going to incorporate really good, cover everything with the garlic and ginger. And now I am ready to toss the peanuts and the chilies. And now I am ready to add the chicken. My mouth is watering because these aromas are just amazing. If you want to have a little more sauce in this amazing recipe, let me tell you, I am going to just incorporate the chicken, add this amazing sauce right on the top, and you're going to notice that it's going to start getting nice and thick. It's going to coat the chicken perfectly. Look at this. Look how this looks. Once you add the sauce, the chicken will absorb those amazing flavors. Mix it well, cover everything with the amazing sauce. You're gonna notice that there's not too much liquid behind. What I'm going to do, I like it with a lot of juice. I'm just going to add in the same cup, half a cup of warm water so that I have that liquid, and the liquid will go perfectly on top of white rice, steamed white rice. My mouth is watering because these aromas, these flavors have invaded my kitchen. I added half a cup of water and look at this. Look how delicious this looks. Don't overcook it. Once you add and it's bubbling the way it is now, turn your stove off and you are ready to plate it right on top of very hot, steaming white rice. Look at this. Look how delicious this looks. The peanuts give it an amazing flavor. The chili de árbol, perfect. The zucchini is cooked al dente. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Thank you so much for being part of my family. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy this amazing Chinese recipe, chicken Kung Pao recipe. A little bit of sesame seeds on the top, and I am ready to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing compound chicken. I hope you make it at home and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The flavor, the sweetness, just amazing. Of course, you decide what veggies you want to add them. You want to add to your compound chicken. Excuse me. Compound chicken with white rice. What a perfect combination. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you didn't, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this compound chicken made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.